Second grade students learn several different math skills. The most basic are addition and subtraction. Playing games is a good way to practice these skills and make use of extra time during the day. Having a few go-to games keeps children occupied and reinforces the skills covered in math lessons. The first game that we're going to learn how to play is called Going to Boston. Going to Boston is a well-known and easy-to-play math game that can help kids learn addition skills. It can be modified to provide easier or more challenging versions based on the skill level and age of the players. The materials that you will need are 3 dice, paper, and a pen for scoring. The first player will roll all 3 of the dice. After the first throw, the player will remove the dice with the highest number and put it aside. Roll the 2 remaining dice and again put the highest number aside. Roll the last dice. Add up the numbers on all 3 dice to get the player's score. 6 plus 4 equals 10, plus 5 more equals 15. At this time, you will record player 1's score on the score pad. At this time, you will repeat the steps for each player. The highest score for the round will win. Play a number of rounds and either add up a combined score at the end or tally winning rounds to come up with a game champion. For younger children, you can adjust the game by using only 2 dice to learn addition skills, or you could increase the number of dice in the game to 4 or more to learn more complicated addition skills. Our next game that we will learn how to play is called 101 and Out. To play, you will need a sheet of paper, a pencil, and 1 dice. The object of the game is to score as close to 101 without going over or out. To play, students take turns rolling the dice. As they roll, they can either take the number as a 1 or a 10. For example, if a student rolls a 5, they could take it as a 5 or a 50. The second player now gets a turn. Again, they get to choose whether or not their dice is counted as a 1 or a 10. This time the player rolled a 6. If he used it as a 10 or a 60, his score would be 110, and he would be out. So the better choice would be to use the 6 as a 1. 50 plus 6 equals 56. Remember, the object of the game is to score as close to 101 without going over or out. Students keep a running record of their total as they play.